Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now we are going to discuss a topic on sets. Actually, set is a one data type. Actually, it is used to eliminate duplicates. Let us say, suppose some A is a one list. Try to print A. So this will print all the values. If you try to convert into set, that is A is equal to set of A. Then if you try to print A, then the values are this duplicates will be eliminated. Just see the same thing in the okay, the same thing we will see hands on. Yeah, see here values of A, the before making a set, we are getting all the values, duplicates also there. If you convert into set, the duplicates are removed into the form of set. So generally how we can create empty set. So the simply just A is equal to set, this will create a empty set. So make it as B. Okay. So this is a empty set. So here the output is just as empty set. Yeah, this is a way we can declare an empty set, and this is a way we can convert the list into the set. So hope you understand.